Let's do a meditation to challenge our ego. Hmm. What is ego? Ego is that part of us that has a very helpful benefit, and that is to keep us safe, to keep us out of danger, to stay in familiar territory. Now, for some occasions, that's important, especially when we're children. And now, as we get older and we want to explore a new ground and meet new people and try new things, it's really limiting to have an ego that says, hey, wait a second, this is not okay. You've never done this before, and back off. And so, this meditation is a really great way to transcend some of those voices and move into more of the place of spirit. And spirit says, yes, move forward, do something different, try, give yourself an opportunity to explore. And that's what we're going to experience in today's meditation. So thank you for joining me. My name is Salima, yoga therapist, and this is Kundalini Yoga for leadership and impact. So start with a tall, straight spine. You can sit on the floor, you can sit on a chair, you can sit with your back up against the wall. It doesn't matter how you do it, just make sure that your spine is straight. And then bring your thumb tips together. Thumbs represent ego. And then relax all of your other hands, your hands and your other fingers so that they are not touching. We're just going to hover this around the center of the heart and introduce a mantra. Mantra is a sound vibration. And the mantra here is Wahe, 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 Guru. 3 Wahes and a Guru. And we'll repeat that 4 times in a sequence, doing our best to do it all on one breath. I know, sounds like a challenge. That's okay. Let's dive into it. So, sitting up tall and straight, closing your eyes, pressing into your thumbs. You have about 25 pounds of pressure here. Let's begin. Take a deep inhale. Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru, Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru, Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru, Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru. Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru, Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru, Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru, Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru. Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru, Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru, Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru, Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru. Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru, Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru, Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru, Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru. Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru, Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru, Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru. Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru, Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru, Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru, Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru. Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru, Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru, Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru, Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru. Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru, Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru, Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru, Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru. Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru, Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru, Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru, Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru. Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru, Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru, Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru, Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru. Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru, Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru, Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru, Wahe, Wahe, Wahe Guru. Wahe, 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 guru. Last round. Wahe, 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 guru. Wahe, 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 guru. Wahe, 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 guru. Wahe, 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 guru. Hold the breath. Squeeze root lock, squeeze anus, sex organs, navel center. Squeeze the lock. Exhale and release. Relax your hands down. Well done. Sit quietly now. Breathing long and deep. Give your ego and your spirit a chance to level, to speak to each other, to listen to each other. The mantra Waheguru is a merger between that is infinite and all that is finite. So we've made a connection. Feel that. And come back and practice. Give it a go for 40 days and notice what takes place. Sat Nam.